Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn the most essential phrases for daily use in English. Please listen, repeat after me, and focus on the pronunciation. Do you live with anybody? Do you live with anybody? I live with a friend. I live with a friend. Do you live on your own? Do you live on your own? What's your email address? What's your email address? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Do you have any children? Do you have any children? I don't have any children. I don't have any children. Do you have any grandchildren? Do you have any grandchildren? Are your parents still alive? Are your parents still alive? What does your father do? What does your father do? What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I love going out. I love going out. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy traveling. Have you seen any good films recently? Have you seen any good films recently? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play football. Which team do you support? Which team do you support? I support Manchester United. I support Manchester United. Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments? I'm in a band. I'm in a band. I sing in a choir. I sing in a choir. What sort of music do you like? What sort of music do you like? Lots of different stuff. Lots of different stuff. Have you got any favorite bands? Have you got any favorite bands? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I am a programmer. I am a programmer. What line of work are you in? What line of work are you in? I work in sales. I work in sales. I've got a part-time job. I've got a part-time job. I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed. I'm looking for work. I'm looking for work. I'm retired. I'm retired. I have my own business. I have my own business. I'm training to be an engineer. I'm training to be an engineer. What do you study? What do you study? I'm studying economics. I'm studying economics. Which university are you at? Which university are you at? I'm at Liverpool University. I'm at Liverpool University. What brings you to England? What brings you to England? I'm on holiday. I'm on holiday. I'm on business. I'm on business. I wanted to live abroad. I wanted to live abroad. How long are you planning to stay here? How long are you planning to stay here? Another year. Another year. How much is this? How much is this? Can I see that? Can I see that? Do you have this in another size or color? Do you have this in another size or color? I am just looking. I am just looking. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? I will take this. I will take this. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Is there a discount? Is there a discount? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I would like to return this. I would like to return this. Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a loyalty program? Thanks for watching.